Middle management is going extinct. The life you built is under attack from an enemy who doesn't even know you exist and is incapable of caring what it's doing to you and your family, even if it did. The decision makers who brought this enemy to your floor are only thinking about the bottom line and their stock options. And the HR's outplacement firms can't help you because there is no place. No employer who needs the job skills you've taken years or decades developing. At least, so saith the AI prophets. Millions of mid-level professional positions are being wiped out, and they're never coming back. This crime is ongoing, accelerating, and perfectly legal. They say you can't fight City Hall. Well, you can't fight AI either, and you don't need to. Polishing your resume and your LinkedIn profile, you might as well be perfectly folding beach towels on the Titanic's deck chairs. There is another way, a window that is currently wide open, but won't stay that way for long. The Carpathia is floating within reach, but she is filling up.
Still applying for jobs without a response? There is a better way. Here's what nobody's telling you. Companies are less likely to hire an applicant when they can buy a solution from a savvy candidate. Stop applying. Start vending. If you have years or decades of experience, you're sitting on a gold mine of valuable solutions. Professionals winning right now are project contracting at companies earning premium fees to solve specific problems. You could be too. I'll show you how to get started with a free tool to assess your potential as a solution vendor. Click the link below.